once again, beloveds. Today, as you can see, we are looking at area of a circle. Area of a circle. It is very, very easy. With the subsequent lesson that we'll be doing, we realize that we have benefited a lot from these ones because we have learned what we call substitution. So the most important thing is know your formula and substitute the values in there. We are going to look at 3 questions on area. The very straightforward one, finding the area. The other, when the area is given and they ask you to find something else. And the last one, when they give you an angle and they ask you to find the area of the segment. Remember, I told you, area of the sector. Remember, I told you to pay much attention to sector. So let's start with today's lesson. As we heard of pi, when it comes to finding the area of a circle, the formula is pi r squared. Pi r squared. That is the formula for finding area of a circle. So, as simple as that, let's say they give you a diagram like this and they tell you the diameter is 14 centimeters. So hence, find the area of this circle. It's very, very simple. Solution. I first of all write my formula for finding area. Area is equal to pi r squared. When you hear squared, we learned its indices last term. Squared means r times r. Very simple. Now, we need to list everything that is given us. What is our pi? Where our pi is 22/7. What is our radius? Our radius is half of a diameter. Remember, they didn't give us radius, so we have to solve for it. Half of a diameter. So we get half of what? 14, which is what? 7. So our radius is what? 7 centimeters. Now, we can substitute these values into our formula. So therefore, our area becomes 22/7, that is the pi, times 7 times 7. 2 sevens, that is r squared. This 7 cancels that 7. So we end up getting 22 times 7. I hope you understand. Good. And 22 times 7 is 154 centimeters squared. So therefore, our area for this big circle you see over here is 154 centimeters squared. As simple as that. Let us look at the type 2 question. The type 2 question. Okay, with the example 2 or the question 2, we have been given the circle. Instead of giving us the radius, they said the radius is x. Then they go on to say, but then the area of this circle is 308 centimeters squared. So what are they asking us to find? Hence, find the radius of the circle. Some will also say, hence, find the diameter of the circle. Whether radius or diameter, the best thing you can find now is the radius. If it is diameter, after finding the radius, you multiply it by 2, because radius is always half of a diameter. Let's see how we solve this. As usual, we write our area. Area is equal to pi r squared. Then what we do is we substitute all the values we have into our formula. What was the area? 308. And what is our pi? as usual, 22 over 7 times what is our r? Our r was x. So we have x squared. Good. Now, how can we solve this? This is very simple. We can solve this by first of all eliminating the denominator. And what do? We use the method of balancing we learned in class 6. That is, whatever you do to the left hand side, you do to the right hand side. So we decide to multiply this by 7 to the right hand side and multiply this side by 7 to the left hand side. So this 7 cancels that 7. So in short, what we have? We have 7 times 308 is equal to 22 times x squared. So 22x squared. I hope you get it. Good. From there, what we do? We want the letters to stand alone. So we divide both sides by 22. Good. Hold on. I know someone will be thinking, say, why didn't you multiply the 7 by 308? As I always tell you in classroom, something you are going to break down, why would you waste your time to build it up? I hope you get me. If you multiply this by that, at the end of the day, you end up dividing it by 22. So why don't you just leave it and divide? When you finish, you do your multiplication. Perfect. So we end up getting 7 times 308 over 22. All is equal to what? X squared. So this is what we have now. Let's start the breaking down. 2 goes here, 11. 2 goes here, 1, 5, 4. You can use your long division. Okay, good. Now we have this. 11 here, 1. 11 here, 14. So at the end of the day, we have 7 times 14 is equal to x squared. Good. So we need to do our multiplication quickly. 7 times 4 is what? 28. Then 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2. So we get 98. So 98 is equal to x squared. You are asked to find x, not x squared. So what is the opposite of squared? It is the square root. So we have to root both sides. So this root will cancel this. So basically, x is equal to root of 98. Root of 98 centimeters. So that is our answer. Someone will ask, say, why did you leave it in root of 98? This is because 98 is not a perfect square. You remember the perfect square I asked you to memorize. If you memorize it, you realize that, or if you recite it, you realize that there's no perfect square as 98. So you leave your answer as root 98. The concept is write your formula, substitute the values in there, and do the breaking down. As simple as that. With the last and final part, we'll be looking at when they ask you to find part of the area of a circle, that is sector. Sector. Very good. You have been given this question. And they said the radius is 7 centimeters. And the angle made by the two radii is 60 degrees. Hence, find the area of this sector. Find the area of this sector. This is so easy. Don't be scared. It's so easy and simple. It's like you know the whole area, and they're asking you that. So this 60 degrees, what is the part? Remember, the whole area is 360 degrees. Circle is 360 degrees. If you want to remember, you sometimes hear people say, give me 360, give me 360, then the ladies will be turning. Give me 360 means turn around, circle, 360 degrees. So the whole circle is 360 degrees. And they're asking to find just the area of the 60 degrees. It's very simple. So the whole area, which we know is 360 degrees, is equal to the formula for the area, pi r squared. Very good. So then, what is the 60 degrees? Ratio and proportion in class 6. We say that if 60, this big 60 is giving you this. If this big 360 is giving you this, then 60 is going to give you less. So if less, then the more should divide. And if more, then the less should divide. But this time around, the 60 we are expecting to give us what? Less. So if less, more divide. So we are talking about 60 degrees over 360 times pi r squared. So this gives us the formula for solving such question. The formula in some books, you will see them say it is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Theta here refers to the angle given. Okay? So I just wanted to show you how the formula was gotten. So this is it. This is the formula we are using. So let's solve our final question. So with the formula we derived, we know we are dealing with theta over 360 times pi r squared. So what is our theta? 60 degrees. What is our pi? We always know. Then times 7 times 7. That is the 2 radii. Good. 7 here, 1. We are done with this side. Now, this 0 will cancel that 0. As simple as that. 6 here, 1. 6 here, 6. So what do we have? We have 1 over 6 times 22 times 7. Because this 7 is gone. This 0 cancel that 0. 6 here, 1. 6 here, 6. Very simple. 2 here, 3. 2 here, 11. So what do we have? 1 times 11 is 11. Times 7 is what? 77. All over 3. If you do your long division, 3 goes into 7, 2. Remember 1. Good. 3 goes into 17, 5. Remember 2. 3 goes into 2. It can be 0.66666. So make it 67 centimeters squared. It is squared because we are talking about parts of an area. So that is it. Today we have looked at 3 types of questions. That is when they ask you to find the area of a circle. And then they give you the area and ask you to find the radius or diameter. And we also looked at when they give you a sector and they say find the area of that sector. Thank you very much for today's lesson, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Please do well to be online. I don't want to realize at the end of the day that you didn't get any of my lesson. I need you to understand. I am the teacher, and you, the learner, makes me a good teacher. So please do well to come online tomorrow on Zoom. We are using the same meeting ID and the same password. See you all tomorrow. Bye.